Hi everyone, so in this video we're going to show you around Akana Boutique Hotel in Sanur.
Yeah, so we're just at reception, so we're going to have a walk through and see what it's like. So it is worth noting that there's a supermarket here and also a spa and a place to get your laundry done, which is handy. And also if you are interested, there is a tattoo shop. So if you want a tattoo, you can get a tattoo. There's also a couple of bars down here, a restaurant, so there seems to be quite a lot going on in this street already. So you also get free bike hire here, which is a first come, first served basis, which is really handy, especially when it's free.
Yeah, you don't get that often, do you?
No, that's a really good service.
Yeah,
really
so
good.
you get free bikes. There's an area down on the beach as well, which is segregated off for them. You take the towers down. And also when we checked in, you got a free complimentary welcome drink as well, which I have no idea what it was, but it was lovely, wasn't it?
A healthy drink, she said. Turmeric, orange, lemongrass.
Is that what she said?
Yeah.
Oh, it was really good.
Yeah.
So should we go and have a look inside? So you've got reception area.
Hello.
Hello. Nice little seating area.
Yeah, that's nice. Look at the chairs.
Straight out to the pool.
Those chairs remind me of like an old English pub.
Look at this, that's good, isn't it? 2 for 1. 75 includes a
Small bite.
small bite. And this is where you come for your, this is breakfast, isn't it?
Yeah,
here?
which we've got included, which I didn't realise.
So we've paid £113 for 2 nights, haven't we?
Yeah, yeah.
Which is very good going, I would say, for this hotel. It seems to be in a really good location, and it includes breakfast. Room 301. Nice, isn't it?
Yeah. So we're going to give you a tour around our deluxe room with hill view room. So as you come in to your right, you've got a wardrobe with a safety box and also a hairdryer unit. Lots of space. Put your clothes. Just look at this. Same here, so you get flip flops and a robe. That's good. So lots of place to put your shoes, and then as you walk this way, you've got a full length mirror with also a seat. So you could do your hair and your makeup in front of the mirror. You've also got a place here to put your suitcases. And then as you walk in, the bed is pretty good size.
It's huge, isn't it?
Yeah.
The size of that. It's 2 doubles, that's why. Massive. 2 big doubles.
So I'll just do a bit of a... That's quite firm.
You didn't sink into that, did you?
No. So over here you've got complimentary water, tea and coffee. And then here you do have a fridge, which is not complimentary, but there is a price list. So it's a mini bar area, TV, and you've got a dressing table, chair.
Again, really useful. But they've got sockets there that you can use your UK plug.
Yeah, you've got some advertisements for beer buckets, the restaurant, happy hour at the bar, also a room service menu. And then,
Tissues.
and you've got another chair over here. Plenty of chairs to sit on. You can sit in the corner.
Comfy?
Yeah, it is comfy, yeah.
Do you know what? I really like the artwork in here. Oh, and a telephone call.
Hello. Yes, everything's okay so far. Really nice, thank you. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you, bye. She was just ringing to make sure that everything was okay.
That's good, isn't it?
Yeah, it was. I don't think we've ever had that before in a hotel where we've rang you to make sure everything's alright.
No.
But everything so far is great. And now we'll go to the balcony, so you get a view of the pool, which looks really nice actually. Lots of space. Get in there in a little bit, cool off. And then you get another chair outside which can fit 2 people on. You also get a table. And then finally you get a place to hang your clothes to let them dry, which is a great idea. So
It's a nice big door as well, isn't it?
yeah, initial thoughts, very nice room. So again, we've got a bit of a frosted door.
That's not so bad though.
No, I think out of all the hotels I've been in this holiday, that's the more discreet.
Assuming it's the bathroom.
You come in and you've got a really spacious shower. You've got a shower head and a waterfall shower. And then you get provided with 2 bath towels, 2 pool and beach towels, which is really good. You get a little hand towel, and then you've got a little circle bowl for the sink, which is really nice. And then you get your standard soap, shower gel, shaving kit, dental kit, comb, sanitary, shower cap, so you get the usual amenities. The restaurant's part of the hotel, but I'm presuming you can just come and have something to eat if you weren't staying.
Yeah, it's got the menu out on the road, isn't it?
Yeah.
We've got barbecue all you can eat, 215, so it's about £10,
Yeah.
give or take, which is really good. Hello.
Hi.
Yeah. Good, thank you.
Snack or drink.
We're okay, thank you for now. We'll just have a look.
Oh, you have a look, sure?
Yes.
Thank you.
Please enjoy.
Thank you.
Yeah, we just got here, so we're just in a bit of a video of the
Oh,
hotel, and then we're gonna go.
Do you stay here?
Yeah, we're staying
Oh,
here.
how
Yeah.
many is there?
2
Two
nights.
The first night, okay.
Yeah.
Where come from before?
Gilly tea.
You live how was it?
Very nice.
Yeah, very
so,
good.
yeah. Actually, we are open for until dinner time. We open until 11 o'clock, but the last order 10:30.
Okay.
So tomorrow morning, the breakfast time, we have enjoy it here.
Okay,
Perfect.
great.
And
Thanks.
tomorrow also we have the live music and the Mongolian barbecue. Don't forget to join them.
Okay, thanks
Thank
for the
you.
info.
Thank you.
See you later.
See you later.
So you've got a really, really nice pool area. So you've got 14 deck chairs, little tables. You've got these cool little buttons as well. So if you're going to order something off the menu, you just press the button and someone comes out. Lovely little pool area. Got an outdoor shower. And then you've got these rooms here as well, which are really nice. They're straight onto the pool. So our room's up at the top there. It's a pool view with a balcony. But you've got these ones that are straight onto the pool. It's quite good actually because of the way the building is, it's kind of around the pool. You've always got an area in the shade. You can see as well that the gardens are kept immaculately. So there's a gardener there, just trimming the hanging flowers, just to make sure they're all the right length, all the same length. Really nice place. So the room rate we've got includes breakfast.
Yeah, it does. So we're gonna go check it out and see what they've got.
Yeah, let's go.
To the hot lift.
You're going to hear some calming tunes.
I wasn't sure if it was gonna start.
Morning.
Hello. Sit here. Hi. Good, how are you?
Thank you. So we've just had quite possibly the most full-on breakfast introduction that you could ever have.
Yeah.
I mean, we're even talking about the air conditioning in the room.
It's scripted, guys.
Too early for this.
Yeah, it was too early. So basically what he was saying was that you can order anything you want off the breakfast as it's included in our room price. But if you want anything extra, they're the extras. And you get a coffee, and also because there's 2 of us in the room, you only get 2 items off the breakfast menu. obviously.
Obviously.
Yeah.
So you've got orange juice, guava juice, mango infused water. Got some cereals, which is good. We've got some salad here as well. Not sure what they are. And some pastries. So I've got a couple of pastries. I've got croissant, and it looks like a peach turnover type thing. A bit dry.
So I got a mixed omelette with veg and cheese, which you get 2 sausages, some sautéed potatoes, tomato and some sauce. So overall thoughts on the breakfast this morning. Food was good, omelette was really nice. Everything was cooked to perfection. And I also got infused water, which is like a cucumber water. It just could have done with a little bit of ice in there.
Yes, that's the same with me. I had orange juice, but it was warm. Could have done with a bit of ice in it. Coffee was really, really nice. I had a latte. Breakfast was good. My only criticism was from the minute we sat down, it was like just constantly people talking to you, trying to sell you to go to the Mongolian barbecue, or 20 minutes to explain how to read a menu. You know, the staff are really, really friendly and very polite. So I can't knock the place, to be honest. Maybe we're just a little bit
Antisocial in the morning.
grumpy because it's early.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Part of our hotel you get a private beach allocated, so all of these sunbeds here are part of our hotel, and you can tell by there's a sign that says Akana.
That's a great idea, isn't it?
Yeah, because the hotel isn't near the beach. Well, it's about a 10-minute walk to the beach.
Yeah.
So having this here is a great idea because you can just come and chill out.
And you get towels for them as well. It's actually a really nice idea. That.
Yeah.
It's a great idea, isn't it?
Yeah, and look at the sea. You can even go in the sea if you wanted. The waves are so small here, if any at all.
Well, there's none, is there? There's obviously a seawall breaking out the back. You can see the waves out the back, can't you?
Yeah, so you don't get any surface here. But,
It's just calm, isn't it?
Part of the room though, that you don't have to pay extra for the sunbeds or anything. It's all part of the room fee, which I think is a great idea.
Yeah. So for the value, I think it's a great hotel. I'd highly recommend it actually. And I'll definitely, if we were coming back this way, I'd definitely go stay there again.
Yeah, absolutely.
Get
yeah.
good breakfast. Bikes are free if you want them. Sunbeds on the beach are free. Really welcoming. The staff are welcoming.
Yeah.
I think probably breakfast. Maybe a little bit overpowering with the kind of explanation of everything, and then trying to upsell the restaurant this evening. But you know, they were friendly, they were polite.
Apart from that, it's I'd say 8 out of 10 for me.
So, hope you've enjoyed the video. Hope you found it useful. Remember to like and subscribe, and if you've been here before, or if you've got any thoughts,
Let us know.
Let us know. Put them in the comments. See you in the next one.